Another experiment that proves this was the Stanford prison experiment, a psychological experiment conducted in August of 1971 by a research team at Stanford University led by the psychology professor Philip Zimbardo. The experiment was a 2-week, or scheduled to be a 2-week simulation of a prison environment that examined the psychological dynamics of such an environment upon its participants' behavior. Participants in this psychological experiment were recruited from the local community to take part in a, quote, psychological study of prison life. Volunteers were then randomly assigned to act as either prisoners or prison guards. The volunteers selected to be guards were given uniforms specifically to de-individuate them and were instructed to do whatever was necessary to maintain control over the prisoners and to prevent them from escaping. Over just 5 days, the guards' abuse of the prisoners, both psychological and physical, became so brutal that the experiment had to be stopped prematurely and could not even be continued into 2 weeks. This showed that given quote-unquote authority over others, most human beings are extremely quick to completely abuse that so-called power and turn brutally violent toward their subordinates. And this experiment has been repeated in different places and times throughout the world with, again, statistically identical results.